Experiencing mobile data problems with Lycamobile on your Android or iPhone? You're not alone. As of August 2025, many users still face connectivity issues, with 70 to 80% of these problems stemming from incorrect APN settings. Lycamobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. This means they don't own their own cell towers, but instead use other carriers' networks like T-Mobile in the US or EE in the UK. This setup requires specific gateway settings to connect properly. APN stands for Access Point Name. Think of it as a gateway that connects your device to the internet through your carrier's network. Without the correct APN settings, your phone can't establish a proper data connection. There are four main causes of Lycamobile data issues. First and most common is incorrect APN configuration, affecting 70 to 80% of users. Second, network coverage gaps due to Lycamobile's reliance on host networks. Third, device compatibility issues with newer smartphones. And fourth, regional variations in APN requirements across different countries. Network coverage can vary significantly because Lycamobile depends on host network infrastructure. Areas with strong T-Mobile or other partner coverage will have better Lycamobile service, while gaps in the host network directly affect Lycamobile users. The good news is that most Lycamobile data issues can be resolved quickly by following a systematic approach. We'll verify your current APN settings, configure the correct regional settings for your location, test the connectivity, and apply additional troubleshooting steps if needed. In the next section, we'll walk through the exact steps for both Android and iPhone devices. Now we'll walk through the exact steps to configure your APN settings on both Android and iPhone devices. This process will restore your mobile data connection. Let's start with Android devices. The process involves navigating to your APN settings and creating a new configuration. First, navigate to your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Access Point Names. On some devices, you may find it under Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names. Here, you can see the Mobile Networks menu with Access Point Names highlighted. This is where you'll create your new APN configuration. Tap the plus button to create a new APN. For US Lycamobile users, enter these settings. APN is data.lycamobile.com, username is LMUse, password is plus, and authentication type is PAP or CHAP. This shows the APN configuration screen with UK settings as an example. The process is identical, just enter your region-specific values. Now let's configure APN settings on iPhone. The process is different, but equally straightforward. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and finally Cellular Data Network. Here you can see the iPhone settings menu and the cellular options. Navigate through these menus to reach the APN configuration. In the Cellular Data Network screen, enter the same APN details in the Cellular Data section. Use the same values, data.lycamobile.com for APN, LMUse for username, and plus for password. This shows the iPhone Cellular Data Network configuration screen. Enter your APN details in the Cellular Data section as shown. If your data still doesn't work after configuring the APN, try these troubleshooting steps. Reset your network settings. Contact Lycamobile for automatic SMS configuration. Check for carrier settings updates, or verify your SIM card is properly inserted. Following these steps should restore your Lycamobile data connection. Remember that settings may vary by country, so check with Lycamobile support for region-specific configurations if needed.